guys, good morning. Let me introduce to you these cards, and you may use this card to uncover your past life. These cards are able to reveal the exact scenario that happened in our lives. Each card is contained with different meaning. Okay, let's start. I'll try to unboxing the box. Yes, this. I'll try to unboxing the box, and then you will notice on top of the eye, friend identity, American Civil War era, time frame, passive, conformity, lesson, and then this one, torture, death, and underground civilization location, psychological or verbal abuse trauma, and then cat fate, and also companionship, love, and friend identity. So first thing to do is that you have to shuffle the card. Okay, we'll shuffle the card first. This one, like this one. Then you may cut it into two. You may cut it into two. Then you may get 3 cards. Then you will start to read the 3 cards. Okay? But first, we must to know what is the meaning each cards. Okay, let's start. Okay, facility, children. Okay, we have children. Okay, this word is children, and this word slave, enslavement. Okay, the next card, tribe, group living. What is this? Tsunami or tropical storm, loss at sea, flood. Okay, greed, another one, sound beauty, position of authority, power, and then we also have asteroid, air disaster, and what else, abuse, abusive relationship, hobbyist, artist, professional artist. Okay. Contagious illness, health issues, dark magic, devil, victim, injustice, dreamer, rise of civilization, volcano, fire disaster, Nonconformist, rebel. Okay. What else? Building collapse, earth disaster. Diplomat, peacemaker. Achiever, accomplishment. So you may use that cards to your clients or even your friends. Reverent, religious devotion. Tormentor, bully. Okay, we also have herder, animals. And then we also murder, that one. And Buddhist, ascetic, that one. And then gestation period, current lifetime. We also have a follower, no, not follower, leadership. Oh, we have gladiator, athlete. We have cowboy, Wild West. Okay, little by little I realize how to use it properly. Housework, servant. Okay, we have destroyer, distraction. We also have exiled, banishment. And allied defender, World War. Delusions, insanity. Perpetrator, swindler. Book burn, oh, not a book burning. House fire, burned. Judge, the law. Executed, execution. Builder, construction. Socialite, city dweller. We have Freemason, secret society. Secret agenda, secrets. Maybe she's hiding some secret. Okay, and then infantry, military. Peasant, rural living. Victim, torture. Death, loss of a loved one. Sorcerer or sorceress, magic. Social, oppression. Close encounter, extraterrestrial. And herbalist, healer. Some of them may be a healer. Okay, ritual priest, ritual sacrifice. Wise person, wisdom keeper. Writer, communications. Royalty, direct descendant royalty. And then entertainer. We have musician, performance. Warrior, war. Gluttony, diet. Lower class, poverty. Sexual minority, alternative sexuality. That one. Explorer, adventurer. Okay, high priestess, psychic. Philosopher, intellectual. Investigation, truth seeker. True love, romance. Victim, sexual assault. Social discrimination. Teacher, instruction. Imprison, imprisonment. Technological disaster. Technology, use of technology. Explorer, maritime. Also have baptism, nature worship. And then what is this? What's this? Reign of terror. Proletariat. Revolution. Abuse, childhood trauma. Knight, defender. Philanthropist, saintly. Functioning addict, addiction. Have you seen? We also out of body experience, astral experiences. Ice age, ice disaster. Political brainwashing. Benefactor, charity. Inheritance, wealth. Governor, government. Other, obsessive lover. And sometimes jealousy. Obsessive love, obsession. That one. And then this one is local artisan industry. Okay guys, thank you for watching. At least you have an idea how to use that cards and how to uncover your past lives oracle. Okay, thank you.